Hello guys! Another day, another repair. We have a Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G here with a no power issue. This is a common problem in Xiaomi phones, including Poco, and is also now frequently seen in brands like Infinix and Tecno. Here are some quick tips on the possible causes of dead boot or sudden no power issues. It is usually caused by a hardware issue, most commonly a faulty motherboard. This often stems from a damaged CPU or soldering issues on the chip due to overheating, improper firmware updates, physical damage to the phone. For those experiencing this issue, feel free to message us on our Facebook page. Thank you. Watch this video until the end because we have a giveaway. We will be selecting a lucky winner from our followers to win AirPods. Follow the required steps to join the giveaway.
VD.